In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a community in Systemi.io. First, log into your Systemi.io account and head to your main dashboard. At the top of the page, you'll see a menu bar. Look for the option labeled Assets. Hover your mouse over it, and a drop-down menu will appear. From that drop-down, click on Communities. This will take you to the Communities section, where you'll see a list of any communities you've already created. On the top right corner of this page, click the Create button to start setting up a new community. A pop-up window will appear where you can configure the basic details. Begin by giving your community a clear, descriptive name so members immediately understand what it's about. Next, you'll see the domain settings. If you haven't connected a custom domain to your Systemi.io account, the system will use the default Systemi.io domain for your community. Below that, you can edit the URL path. If you leave it as is, it will usually autofill based on the community name you entered, but it's a good idea to make it short and easy to remember. You'll also see an option for automatic post approval. Here, you can choose whether posts from members are published immediately or if they require your approval first. Pick the option that best fits how closely you want to moderate your community. When you're happy with everything, click Save at the bottom of the pop-up and wait for the page to reload. You should now see your new community listed. Click on the community you just created and give it a moment to load. Once it opens, you'll notice a sidebar on the left with several sections. Click on Members to see who's in your community. At this point, it will likely only show you as the owner. To invite more people, click Invite New Members on the top right. A pop-up will open where you can add the details of the people you want to invite. At the bottom of this Members section, there's also a Banned Members area where you can review or manage anyone you've chosen to remove from the community. Next, click on Settings in the sidebar. Here, you can update your community name and its path if you want to refine your branding or URL later. You can upload a community image to make the space more recognizable and professional. You can also choose the community type. Set it to public if you want anyone to join, or private if you want to control access. This is also where you can change the automatic post approval setting at any time. After making any changes, remember to click Save so nothing is lost. Now, let's look at scheduled posts. This is where you can manage and view posts that are set to go live in the future. Click into the Write Something text field, and a pop-up will open for creating a new post. Start with a post title, then adjust the post path if needed. You can choose a topic for the post, which helps organize your content. I'll show you how to create topics in a moment. Add your post content in the main editor area. To make your post more engaging, you can add an emoji, attach a file, include a video link, insert a GIF, or upload an audio file. If you want the post to publish right away, simply leave the scheduling option off. If you'd like to schedule it, toggle on Schedule this post, then click the date and time field to choose exactly when it should go live. Once everything looks good, click Add Post at the bottom right. Finally, go to the Topics section in the sidebar. Topics are a great way to keep your community organized by grouping related discussions and posts. Click the plus icon to create a new topic. A pop-up will appear where you can enter a name and a path for your topic. Choose a name that clearly describes what will be discussed under that topic. When you're done, click Add Topic at the bottom right. You can create as many topics as you need to structure your community content. And that's it. You've now created a community in Systemi.io, explored the members area and settings, learned how to schedule posts, and set up topics to keep everything organized.